The Bernina 790 sewing machine has one of the best basting stitches ever. But before I select it, I want to point out something that's going to change when we pick the stitch. So right now, when you're just sewing a regular straight stitch, the tension's about 5 1/4. And yes, we could make that stitch length all the way up to 6 millimeters long. Look how long that is on the screen, and it would sew no problem. But what if we were to go to stitch number 21 and look at the tension? The tension has actually been reduced on the top. So I'm going to sew this and then show you what it's actually going to do. Look at the stitch. The stitch is this long, and I could actually make it longer. So let's just start with the default settings. Let me push clear so we start at the beginning. And watch the machine. So it's going to do a little lock, a couple hops, we'll call those hops, and then it stitches. Let's lengthen it all the way out to its max and watch how long those hops get. So at the end, what I would recommend is that you lift up the presser foot, and you could actually cut the thread with the thread cutter button, but watch what you have. Now it did lock at the beginning, so I am going to snip that right on out. But you can see that the stitches, because of the tension change, have been pulled to the back side because the bobbin was tighter and the top was looser. And the reason for it is because it makes it super easy to pull out that stitch when you're done. Now you don't get that if you are just doing a regular straight stitch. The tension stays normal, so it's not as easy to pull out. So yes, stitch number 21 on the Bernina 790 is the best stitch for basting.